The future of work is automated. Welcome to Aivora.
Forget paying thousands for GPT-4 wrappers. The most powerful AI apps are built with open-source no-code tools. And they are completely free. The truth is you can build a RAG system or an AI agent right now without writing code. So here's what I found. MarkTechPost just released a list of 10 platforms that change everything. They let anyone build LLM apps, RAG pipelines, and autonomous agents using drag and drop. Let me show you each one. First up, Flowise. It is a visual drag and drop tool for LangChain. You connect nodes for prompts, models, and memory. Build a chatbot in 10 minutes. No coding required. But Langflow offers something different. It uses a node-based graph editor. You design complex LLM pipelines visually. It handles vector stores, tools, and multi-step reasoning with ease. So Dify is a full-stack platform. It includes built-in RAG, prompt management, and a chat UI. You upload documents, set up retrieval, and deploy an app. All without code. But Botpress targets conversational AI. Its visual flow editor lets you design complex dialogues. It supports NLP, integrations, and even human handoff. Enterprise-grade and completely open source. Then Rasa offers a different approach. It gives you a no-code interface for training NLU models and designing dialogues. But under the hood you get full control. Ideal for production systems. So Hugging Face Gradio lets you wrap any model in a shiny UI. Pick a model, add sliders and text boxes, and share a link. Perfect for prototyping and demos. But Open WebUI gives you a self-hosted ChatGPT clone. Connect to local models via Alima. Manage conversations, upload files, and even browse the web. Runs on your own hardware. Then N8N is the workflow automation king. It has dedicated AI nodes for LLMs, vector stores, and data transformation. Build complex multi-step pipelines visually. Free and self-hosted. So CopilotKit adds an AI assistant to any web app. Use its visual editor to define actions and knowledge. Users get a chat overlay instantly. React developers love it. But AgentGPT lets you deploy autonomous agents in your browser. Type a goal, hit deploy, and the agent thinks, plans, and executes. All from a simple web interface. No code needed. So 10 platforms that cover almost every use case. But here is the catch. No-code tools still have limits. Complex logic may require code. And scaling can hit bottlenecks. Know your needs before choosing. Take real examples. One team built a legal Q&A bot using Dify. They uploaded court documents, configured retrieval, and deployed a chatbot. It answered complex queries with citations. Took 2 hours. Another company used Flowise to automate customer support. They connected tools like Slack and Zendesk. Their bot now handles 70% of common tickets. Human agents only step in for complex issues. The best part? All these platforms are self-hostable. You keep your data private. No API bills. No third-party risks. This matters for healthcare, finance, and legal use cases. So how do you choose? Start with your use case. Need a simple chatbot? Flowise or Botpress? Complex RAG? Dify or Langflow? Autonomous agents? AgentGPT. The right tool depends on your goal. If you are into AI and no-code tools, hit subscribe for more. I cover new platforms, tutorials, and real builds every week. Join the community and never miss an insight. But here is what excites me most. These platforms are just the beginning. No-code AI is democratizing development. Next year, anyone will build production apps. The barrier is already gone. So here is my question for you. Are you ready to build your own AI agent? In the next video, I will show you how to combine these tools into a multi-agent system that works like magic. Click to watch now.